You asked for it, I delivered. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your cover from this to this in seconds using a free tool that is Canva. Welcome to the fourth episode in the series where I teach you how to make money as a beginner on Amazon KDP by creating simple digital products on Canva for free and start making the sales here on the online space. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a markup in which you can be able to use it in promoting your books on social media platforms. So if you have no idea where this series is coming from, I'll leave a link to the videos from episode 1 on how you can be able to get started as a beginner. So make sure you will go and watch the other videos so that you don't get left behind. So let me walk you through. It's very simple and it's very quick. It will literally take you 5 seconds to get started with it. So let me show you how you can be able to make that mockup so that you can be able to start advertising it for your new books and everything. Just like you can see here, these are some of the markups that I've been able to create. These are some of the weekly planners that I have created on Canva. You can go and check them out on my Amazon KDP. Support me by buying from me. Okay, so let me walk you through exactly how to create markups like this that you can be able to advertise. Okay, so first step is you need to have a blank space like this one, so you can be able to start working on it. We are going to be searching for, let me go to elements. So here on elements, we are going to be searching for book markups. Like you can see, they're already here. There are so many, but one thing I don't want you to be confused is, you see the different markups. Like you see these ones, the clear ones, these ones, like this ones. You cannot place your cover on this one because it's plain. You cannot be able to work with this, so you need to go for the markups themselves, the one that have the frames. So let me show you the frame markups. Let me see if it will bring. No, it's not that. We have so many markups. You can decide if you're selling print on demand. You can be able to create something like this and put it on your t-shirt. There are so many designs when it comes to markup. So for us, we are looking for book markups, book cover markups. When you scroll down, you'll find the markups here. Here is where they are. So let's see all of them, how they look. So here is exactly what you need to be working on. There are so many. Like you can see, there's so many of them here. Just choose the one you want to go for. So let me I have literally like worked with so many of this, so I'm trying to look for the one that I have not worked with. So let me go with this one. I think I've not worked with this one. So here it is. The first thing is you want to stretch these corners. One thing you need to be is you need to be particular with the fact that it needs to fill the, like, you need to make sure that your book is being seen, yeah, because that is what you're trying to sell. So here is what you're going to be working on. So you double click and it should bring you to a place like this. So here is where we are going to be working on. Like you can see, Canva has made it very easier for you. This is the way they're showing you the direction and how it should be. So let's go to upload. At this point, you should have uploaded your cover, which you had created prior on Canva. Also, if you want, you can get the link to the video down here below where I show you on how to create a cover just like this one. So let's work on my other new planner that I'm currently promoting. So yeah, let's go with the black one. So this is how it comes, and because you don't want it to look so small like this, you also double click it there and it should bring you something like this. Yeah, so this is what you need to work on. So click on fill and it will automatically expand. So we want to drag it so that it can fit the book. Yeah, like that. And then click on apply change, and voila, this is what you get. You get a good clean cover of your book that you can be able to now start promoting it on places like Pinterest or even on your Amazon KDP. You show it when you are doing the advertising for your book. So like you see, this one doesn't, it automatically show comes out very clean. Like someone cannot think that this is not a book that was created here, you see. So Canva makes it very easy for you to get started, very easy for you to be able to just make covers like this and start promoting them. Just like you saw in the tutorial, it's really easy to get started with creating your markup. And the good thing about this is you can be able to create as many markup as possible so that you can bring your cover to life and your book to life, so that when someone sees this markup, they can be able to visualize how your digital product will be, and they can be able to be willing to buy this digital products from you. So in the next series, I'll be teaching you on how to promote your digital products on places like Pinterest or on your socials to start making those sales even as a beginner. So you definitely don't want to miss out. Make sure to hit that notification bell, subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you do not miss out on the next episode that I'll be releasing very soon.